Hi, I'm Anna LePay. The state of Maine is home to a phenomenon so rare it's found in just 3 other spots on the planet. At Merrymeeting Bay, the mouths of 2 major rivers merge to form a huge shared delta. This watershed is home to an astonishing variety of plants and endangered wildlife. Bald eagles, striped bass, river herring all call the bay home. And this group of neighbors is working to keep it that way.
Merrymeeting Bay is located in southern mid-coast Maine. It's an inland bay. It's tidal, it's fresh water, and it's unique around the world because it's the junction of 6 rivers, 2 of which are major rivers, draining about 40% of the state of Maine. We create a soup bowl, essentially, with all these rivers. Tidal freshwater, wild rice, the largest staging area in the Northeast for migratory waterfowl, ducks. Also the only place in the coast of Maine where all of the 12 species of migratory fish come in from the Gulf of Maine to use for spawning and nursery habitat. And also home to about a dozen rare plants, some of which are globally rare and that live in the tidal mud areas. Better than 60% of our species biodiversity really live in and along the rivers, the riparian corridors. Friends of Merrymeeting Bay is an organization of about 450 members. Our mission is to preserve, protect, and improve the unique ecosystems of Merrymeeting Bay. And we do that through research, advocacy, land conservation, and education.
You guys think this is a cool job? Yeah! Me too.
Bay Day is about teaching tomorrow's adults about the resource here that they're going to need to steward at some point.
Gather around so you can stick your head in there. This species right here is really, really cool. It's called a stickleback. All right, and they're native. Both these fish are native to Merrymeeting Bay.
Today at Bay Day, we had about 180 kids from all around the bay, mostly 4th graders, and we had about 45 volunteer presenters and chaperones doing workshops.
This one's called river bulrush, and this one's called 3-square bulrush. And both of these things like to grow in freshwater tidal habitats.
Bay Day is great because it gets them dirty, it gets them muddy, they're having fun, they're learning in many different ways.
I just like that everything's so green and that I want it to stay green for the people who next come and who come after that.
Merrymeeting Bay is the 2nd largest hotspot in the state for bald eagle populations. They were virtually extinct years ago from DDT, and dioxins and PCBs. They just got delisted, endangered species list this last year. You got to remember that 50 years ago, this bay was one of the most polluted places in the state. Clean Water Act helped a lot, but it's citizen groups like ours that worked over time to organize and advocate for that cleaner water. In the end, it's important to realize that individuals can indeed make a difference. Sometimes you feel like you're just a little fish in the school, but together you can organize, you can accomplish, you can make a difference.